Hi everyone. Today I am making, these are country style, I just call them boneless pork ribs. Got these this morning when I went to the store. Got an amount of yellow onion already chopped up. We're going to use this garlic sea salt, regular black pepper. We're going to use this whole can of whole green chilies. And I'm going to rough cut, chunk up some russet potatoes. Okay? And basically it's going to be green chili stew. It's just a different way of putting it all together. But it's really easy too. One more. There we go. Nice. I like a lot of potatoes in this because it just, by the time it's done in the slow cooker, they're just so tender and they're so full of flavor. Love these. All right, we're going to take...
How many ounces is this can? 27.
1 pound and 11 ounces. It's a big can. It's a big can of green chilies. And honestly, you don't really have to chop them up. You can. You can loosely chop them up if you want. But they're just full of flavor. So what I'm going to do... hang on. Let's do the pork. There we go. Oh, these are nice. Oh, look at the bone.
Yeah.
Oh, they have a little bit of bone in them. Cool. I am totally cool with that. Okay, there's one. This one doesn't have any bone in it. This one has no bone, so there's one that has bone in it so far. Look at that.
Ooh.
Oh, wow, is that good flavor? Oh, that's good flavor. That one too. Even that one. So now, we're going to take more green chilies. We're going to just layer them all over. They say that this recipe is like a green chili stew. I call it pork green chili. Call it what you want. Just layer up all of the real whole green chilies. One more down on the bottom. And then you know what? I even do this too. Oh yeah, you gotta have flavor, man. Gotta have flavor. Okay, onions. This is easily an entire cup of yellow onion that was already cut. And I keep my onion chopped and in the freezer just to add to these types of meals. Can't do it. Okay. I'm using the garlic sea salt. It's got garlic and onion in it. It's awesome. Not as much onion. A lot more garlic. And thank goodness we found another one. Because I love this one. Let's see. TJ Maxx?
$5.
$4.99. Wait, is the new one the same price?
It should be, roughly.
It is. Check it out.
Cool.
Right on. Cool.
Pretty sure it's got oregano in it too.
Huh?
Pretty sure it has oregano in it too.
Oh, it does? It smells so good. This is really, well, you can order here. You can also order all kinds of foods and spices at Amphora International. And Amazon carries a lot of this brand as well, and they make a lot of spice grinders with different flavors. Oh, they're awesome.
They make our dried passion fruit.
The dried passion fruit and the figs that we would eat. Yeah, that's right, they do. So they have spices, they have foods. Dried fruit. Yeah, it's a good company. And they're on Amazon, or you can order from them directly.
They're also almost always at TJ.
Yes, and it almost exclusively they sell at all their products, a lot of their products at TJ Maxx, which we love to go to. So here's just your basic black pepper, and I am going to liberally put that in there. I'm also going to stir this up a little bit so that the spices get down in there. Let's see. A little bit of throwing some chilies around in there and just kind of mushing everything up. Mushy. Just get them spices in there. Now, I added a little bit of liquid from the green chilies. But the onions have moisture. The potatoes, let's see. I think I'm going to add only about half a cup of water. It doesn't need much because everything else is so juicy in there. So we're going to pour that directly in there. Now this goes to my Instant Pot. However, the Instant Pot also doubles as a slow cooker, crock pot, whatever you want to call it. So it is currently almost 10 o'clock here in Arizona, 10 o'clock in the morning. Whoops. We are going to put the lid on, put the sealing on. We are going to push the slow cook button. We are going to, it goes up by half an hour. So it's 10 o'clock, 5 hours. What do we got? 3? We'll cook it till 4 o'clock. So obviously the recipe will be in the description. Yeah, you guys have a great weekend. Thank you for watching. I super appreciate you. You guys take care. 4, 5. Hi, what are you doing? Hello, sweetie. Hi, what are you doing? Hello, baby. You know what? I'm going to use another potato too.